This is the corset, and this is how a perfectly shaped cup begins. Let's do this together. We need tracing paper, measuring tape, marker, ruler, clear tape, a décolleté pattern, and cup-making foam. Use the basic décolleté pattern. A full tutorial will be shared on the channel. Close this dart. From the bust point, draw a circle with a 7.5 centimeter radius based on the under bust measurement. From the center front on the bust line, mark 1.5 centimeters inward and 1 centimeter down. From the 7.5 mark on the bust line, go 1 centimeter down. Connect these 2 points with a smooth curve. Go 3 centimeters up from each point. Connect these 2 points with a smooth curve. Connect all the points you marked earlier. Number the pieces. Mark the bust point and the balance lines. Copy the pattern onto tracing paper. Don't forget to mark the bust point and balance lines. Cut the pattern on the foam without seam allowance and transfer the balance marks. Sew the pieces together using a zigzag stitch. shape the cup on the bust tool with an iron. Perform this step carefully to help the cup achieve a natural bust shape. The cup is now ready for use. Using this method, you can create a cup that fits the client's size and customize it. A well-designed cup improves the overall fit and structure of the garment. If you want to learn professional corset making step by step, don't forget to subscribe.